Maybe you want to create 10 folders, 100 folders, or even 1,000 folders. Then the easiest way is to insert the values in cells here in Excel. In the example, I will only create 4 different folders, but this could be as many as you want to. In Excel, there is something called VBA, that stands for Visual Basic for Application, and that's a programmatic language, meaning you can write code to go through each cell and then create a folder of the cell value. It sounds complicated, but since ChatGPT was released, it's super easy to do with AI. Let's open up ChatGPT, and the prompt could be create a macro in Excel that will create one folder for each cells in range A1 to A and the last cell in the A column. I want to specify in which folder to create the new folders. We press enter and the magic will start. And the code, the macro code, I will put that in the video description, and you can of course use that directly instead. In just a couple of seconds we will have the code, and we will copy the code, head back to Excel, and then in the developer tab here, if you don't have it, customize the ribbon and make sure you have developer marked. You go to Visual Basic, that's where you put your code. Here you have your Excel file, and you insert a new module and you paste the code. And then you run the code with this green button. You select the folder, press on OK. In the folder we have now 4 new folders. And that could have been 1,000 or even 10,000 of different folders created in a heartbeat. And in the code you can modify it if you want to twist it a bit. For example, for each cell in VS range A1 to the A and the last cell in the A column, if you want to change the range, you can do that. And that's how easy you can utilize the AI tools, and it's free. You can use the free ChatGPT version. It will come up with great macros like this, even though I use the paid version. Try it out yourself, or just copy and paste the code that I put in the video description and paste it here in the Visual Basic for Application in a module, and then run it. And that is how easy you can create folders for each cell in Excel.